Hi everyone, my name is Lydia and welcome to episode 6 in my mini course on technical analysis basics. Today we're going to talk about rounded tops and bottoms. These aim to predict price movement like pretty much any other indicator. However, the roundedness of the top or the bottom of the chart is what signals the price action. For example, a rounded bottom indicates a swing to the upside, whereas a rounded top indicates, you guessed it, swing to the downside. Okay, so let's look at this example here of DTSS. It's a very simple example to illustrate this point, and I think this will be a very fast and easy video for everyone here to understand. And on the red arrow, you can see rounding top, green arrow, rounding bottom, blue arrow again, rounding bottom, and these all signaled price action, and then the price did move in the way that the rounded top or bottom indicated. And you can also double check where you can see that this actually aligns with what the technical analysis is saying in TradingView. This blue upward moving rounded bottom for DTSS is also showing as a strong buy. So that might actually be a trade you want to consider putting in an entry, an entry and exit strategy for when you're actually going out there making decisions. After you've watched educational content, you need to go out there and make your own strategy, make your own decisions. And if not, if you don't feel comfortable doing that, you have to go and find a financial advisor, because I'm just an educator. So I think this was a pretty straightforward indicator that pretty much anyone can understand just from looking at a chart. You don't even need to have any specific measurements to decide if something is a rounded top or bottom, and that can work to help or to hurt the investor, where let's say you look at something that you think is a rounded top, is a rounded bottom when it's not, or rounded top when it's not, because there is no actual quantitative value behind it. It's something that you can see as a pattern on the chart. This is the conclusion of episode 6 of rounded tops and bottoms. Stay tuned for episode 7, the last episode in this mini course about double tops and double bottoms. Don't forget to like this video, share it with people who you know might be interested in learning something like this, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you want more frequent updates, you should definitely follow me on Twitter at lydiashare.eth. I'll see you around. Thanks so much.